You know that, don't you, quite well?
Yeah.
Or not? One, two. Two more. Two, three. Two good. Four good. Four, three. It's a good shot, Ed.
Yeah.
3, 5. 4, 5. 6, 4. 7, 4. 5, 7. 5, 8. Ah! You know what I was doing? I was watching you turn your back round. 9, 5. 9, 5. Oh, God. What a rubbish game that was. Go on then. Is it your turn?
Yeah.
Go on then.
Wow.
Thanks. Grab one. One each. Two, one.
Yeah.
One, three. Better than small?
Yeah. Yeah.
Don't like that. 2, 3. Very good. 3 all.
Yeah.
Oh, wait. 4, 3. Oh. You didn't catch it. 4, 5. Oh, rubbish.
Looks good.
5 all. 6. Good shot. 7, 5. 7, 6. 7 all. 8, 7. 7, 10. 10, 8. Oh yeah, I want that. So what does that mean?
I can't remember, is that 1-0?
1 all?
1-0 maybe.
Oh, no, with this bat,
Yeah.
might be 1 0. That one. Good. Too good. 1 all. 2, 1. Double three. Oh! Oh, what a great shot, Ed.
Yeah, lucky.
5-4. Four, six. That's it. Oh! 6 all. Do you know that's actually quite forgiving of
You can,
What?
yes.
yeah. Where's this?
Sometimes, yeah.
I think that's 6, 7.
Yeah.
So 7 all. Okay, 7. Ah. Okay. 9, 8. 9 all. You shot it. 9, 10. 9, 10 all. No,
10
10 all. That's a bit mean. 11 all?
Yeah.
Is that yours?
For yours.
I think I said 10, 11, so it's 11 all. Oh, too good. 11, 12? Ah. Hold on. What's that then? 1 8. Okay. One love. Luft two. 1, 2. Three, 1. Three, 2. Ah. Silly me. 3 all. Three, 4.
Yeah.
Ah, too good. 4 all. Come on. 5 all. That's it. Right? On 10?
Yeah.
Oh. Good one. 11. You won.
Crazy.
Good one.